Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you through how to cancel PayPal subscriptions or recurring or automatic payments. So stick around to the end to understand the steps. The first thing you'll need to do is to log on into PayPal, scroll down to recent activity, then click on Payment Send. Search for the transaction that you want to cancel, then click on the link and then scroll down. Click on Recurring Payment Dashboard, and this will take you to all your automatic payments. Then click on My Pre-Approved Payments. You can also type paypal.com/myaccount/autopay on your browser. Click on See More to locate the company you want to cancel. You know that not all in the list are recurring payments. After clicking on the company, click on Cancel. Also, make sure to cancel before the due date so the payment does not go through. Click on Cancel Automatic Payments and click on Done. Another way to locate your automatic payment from the homepage is to go to Settings or Account Settings and then click on Money Banks and Cards. Then scroll down to the bottom and you'll see all your pre-approved payments. Click on the Manage Pre-approved Payments and it will take you to the previous page where you can cancel the subscription of your choice. Now, if you're using your personal PayPal account from the mobile app, tap on Accounts, tap on Autopay, then tap on the Merchant to view or update. Then tap on Remove PayPal as your payment method. And if you're using the business side of PayPal while using the app, tap on Settings, Account Info, then tap on Manage Autopay. After that, tap on the Merchant to view or update. Then you can update your preferred payment method. So let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.